busy again. You happy?
Very
Happy.
happy.
Oh, that's good.
Just like a dream come true.
Oh, dream come true.
Oh, you're so sweet. Oh my God, I wanna cry.
Oh, don't cry, don't cry. Today we are on Jalan Kartika Plaza in Kuta, and all the big bars and the seafood restaurants, okay, maybe not all, but many of them, they are open again, and there are some people around. So let's check this out. What's going on today in this part of Kuta Bali, guys? The sports bar are open here. Maybe not that many people around. However, definitely bars are open and some business is going around. That's for sure. We're gonna follow today the street and let's see what's going on. So many actually taxi drivers honking around, honking already at us, so that's good.
Okay guys, so we've got so many requests asking about how Kuta Tuban right now regarding to when the tourism already opening, and then seems like, you know, some of the restaurants, some sports bar already back to business, and you see that behind me also, you know, some of the international tourists already coming there and police escort. So it means somebody staying here from the government. And yeah, here in this area also like tattoo shop already opening, and yeah, seems like, you know, slowly all the business in this street, in this area, in Tuban area is picking up.
This Indian restaurant with the seafood as well is open. Check this out. And there are even some guests deep inside, which is actually really not that bad. I could say actually pretty many people sitting inside today over here. And on the other side of the street, the Chinese restaurant with this famous crab, the big decoration, is also open. It also seems some people are already over here. So like I said, a lot of improvements since I was vlogging here for the last time.
So one of the hotel in this area that was so famous, and I think that still until right now, is Kuta Paradiso Hotel. And seems like when we walk there, and I think that when we park a car there inside in the hotel, seems like there are many customers there. You know, like we see that some guests, international guests, already check in, and yeah, it's really nice to see that some the business in this area is really back.
Also here, the Matilda sports bar is open. There are some people. Well, when I was here last time, there was all of these places were closed totally. So now it's definitely like a little bit of the improvements. That's without any doubts. So it's getting better and better. That's for sure. Hello. People are so happy here. Moving now more into direction of Discovery Shopping Mall, and there, well, some people walking, passing by. More and more businesses are open. Taxi driver, of course, will honk at you. That's very characteristic. And this one, the seafood restaurant, lobster restaurant, local price, seems pretty busy to me. Yeah, not so bad.
I don't know why. I just want to share my feelings that whenever I walk here, you know, during the pandemic, this area was the most quiet place, like, you know, was the most dead place in Kuta and Tuban area. But now, when I walk here, I see people also, you know, walking, tourists, international tourists already walking, enjoying their time, you know, having dinner or lunch somewhere like in the restaurant, and seems like business are already opening. So nice to see this.
The souvenir market is open as well over here. The Kuta Bali art market. Maybe some of you are familiar with this place. So in case if you ask, it's open.
Honey, I want to eat pizza for dinner.
Why is that?
But seems like, you know, the restaurant behind me, Dolce Vita or something like that, almost full house. So I don't know, I feel like so happy to see this, you know, business already slowly back to normal.
The Bubagam shrimp is open again, and there are even some people inside. So that's mean already something, because there is so many improvements around. And also this bar next to the Bali Garden Hotel is open as well. And there are some people as well, so cool. And then we arrived to the Discovery Shopping Mall area, and the Bamboo Bar is open. Also, this bar is very huge and also was very busy. Well, maybe it's not as busy as it was, but it is some people. There are some people deep inside, and everything is open again. So happy days. Bamboo Bar and restaurant. Here we go, guys. Also, the taxi drivers waiting for you. So no shortage of these services around. And the mall itself, Discovery Shopping Mall, guys. Looks nice, so many lights around, but yeah. And the Indian restaurants also, the spice here is open, so.
Okay guys, so behind me the Discovery Shopping Mall, you know, it used to be the most busiest mall, I think in 2000 something. I remember that I just came from Denpasar and come here just for the shopping. But look at nowadays, seems like there are not much happening and seems like there are not many shops are open. Nowadays people are, you know, like going to the beach walk mall instead of this one.
Indian people coming to the Indian restaurant. In Bali you can find actually so many Indian food options, guys. And the taxi drivers also seems more happy now. We are ordering food in one of the restaurants over there with this lovely lady. She's offering bebek to Winny, which is the duck. Let's see. Hello! Meanwhile, the situation around looks like this one and the place. Busy now, yeah? Busy again! You happy?
Very
Happy. Oh, that's good!
Just like a dream come true.
Oh, dream come true!
Oh, you're so sweet! Oh my god, I wanna cry.
Oh, don't cry, don't cry.
Beneran ya Mbak ya, dari kemarin nggak kerja mas, kalau nggak kerja kan.
Oh my
So nice.
god, so sweet. I don't know, I feel like I wanna cry because he said that, you know, she's speaking in Balinese, you know, it has been 2 years, I didn't work, and she said that she feel happy. Finally the restaurant is open, and I know that whenever we walk by here and we pass the restaurant, it was closed. It's just like ghosty place, bad. But now, you see, even behind me, it's quite many people. I don't know what I'm gonna say. I feel like nice. From Kuta, Jalan Discovery, Kartika Plaza, right? And Tuban area, and our food is coming. I order bebek, and Damian also order noodle with the duck. So this is what the restaurant is famous for, I think so.
Now is the time for dessert in the hot jog. Check this out. Ice cream, some people already around. I will have another coffee. Honey, what do you have?
Chocolate ice cream, gelato.
And with the flapjack, the place looks like this one. Check this out. It's open again.